reflected on you. It's all because I don't have anything new. We won't be kind if we run away from time. We can feel fine if we leave it all behind. Behind your smile, let's break. Keep down. Take your place on stage and take a bow. We won't be kind if we run away from time. We can feel fine if we leave it all behind. If you notice, I actually have another skincare routine up, but from a couple months ago. My skincare routine has changed completely since then because some of the products, or at least like one of the products, which was my moisturizer that I was using, the Drunk Elephant Proteiny Moisturizer, I've been using that for so long, but I found that it kind of broke me out. It gave me, I guess you could call it like fungal acne. I don't know if it like gave me that, but it should contribute to that. And so right whenever I switched to the products that I'm using now, which I'm using them for a few weeks now, my skin has cleared up and it's so much more softer, smoother, radiant, and I have like hyperpigmentation from past breakouts, and of course I have freckles, but I used to have like acne like all here and on my forehead, like a ton, and it left like a few marks and they're still fading, but they were not fading for so long. But right when I started using these products, they started to actually fade. So, oh, and also wear sunscreen every day, no matter what. Even if you're not going outside, if you have windows, the rays from the sun can still penetrate through your skin. So wear sunscreen indoors, outdoors, no matter what. Number one rule, wear sunscreen. I hope you enjoyed my skincare skincare routine. Thank you for watching.